Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change color of mouse cursor. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu over here, and now after that just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here. And now after that just simply go to the devices over here. And now once you are on devices, on the left side you should be able to see here mouse. So now from here, you should be able to see adjust mouse cursor size. And after that, you can just simply click on over here, custom. And after that, you should be able to change color over here of your cursor. And if you want to pick a custom pointer color, you can just simply click on over here. And after that, pretty much you will have here various options to choose from. And if you want more options, you can just simply click on over here. And now you can be more detailed over here. And once you are done, you can just simply click on done. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.